to start a project. Ooh. You are going to be working in groups. Now the only way that this project is going to work is that if I know everyone is listening to what the directions are. Okay, I know you're listening when your hands are in your lap. Your eyes are over here, up here. You're sitting cross-legged on your bottom. And you're following me like a laser with your eyes, okay? Okay, so we are going to use Educreations. We have used this many times before. You've written stories using it. Okay, when I open it up, we just go to level 3. Okay, that's our level. So you know my favorite number is 3. We click on Educreations, and it'll start up right away. So I'm going to kind of show you as we go what we're going to be doing. So turn your back. So you are going to be the teacher, and you're going to explain how can I solve a problem using combining groups with money. So your job is to use Educreations to come up with a project and to teach someone how to add that together using money, and you're going to talk through the whole thing. Okay, so I'll pretend I'm with you, okay? Step 1, write the title. So I get up my finger, I click, and oh, what did I forget to do? I have to hit the T. Okay, so I click the T, and now it says tap to add text. So I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to write the title. Addition, strategy, combining groups with money. Type in my story problem. So I go to my text.
So you're going to do it?
Well, I'm just going to show you an example. And I say, Julia has 25 cents. And I'll just make it snappy. She gets 34 more. How many does she have now? And I put in my question mark. Okay, so now I can click off. So I would just click off. And then if I want to move that down, I can. Okay, I can also make it bigger or do those things, but we'll move on to the next thing. So now I say, okay, check. Now it says go to the next page. So you know down here, you just click that arrow and it goes to the next page. Then it says write your number model. So if I go back, what was my number model?
25.
Lydia?
25 plus 24.
Equals. Very good. So I type again. I can draw it with my hand if I want, or I can type it in. I'm going to type it in because I'm going to say, you know what, it'll look a little neater. Okay, so 34 plus what?
Where do you get
the plus is right here. See how it says plus, or numbers, plus equals. So I click on that, and then it'll show up. So plus is way over there. Plus, now I need to hit 1, 2, 3 again. What was it?
25.
25. Now I need to hit this again and get my equals. Okay, so there's my number problem. I can make it bigger by I type on it twice, and then I want to have all of it, and then I can make it nice and big. Okay, then I go back, so I'm done. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to say, all right, it's time for me to be the teacher now. And does a teacher just write things down? What do they do? Explain and talk about it. So I got step 3. Step 4, go back to the first page. Am I at the first page?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm really flying. Step 5, press record. Okay, this is where I have to start recording. So you're going to have to find a quiet spot around the classroom. We will, yeah. So, are you ready? I better read this first. I'm going to record. I'm going to read the title, read the story problem, go to the next page and read the equation, and I'm going to show how to do it. So are you ready? I'm going to show how to do this, combining groups with money. So, okay, I'm ready. And I need to talk loud. Record. Record. Addition strategy, combining groups with money, by Lawrence and Josiah. Julia has 25 cents. She gets 34 more. How many does she have now? All right, so if I'm going to show this using money, I want to show 34 cents. So I need a quarter and a dime. So that is 25, 35. Oh, can I do a dime? Nope. So I should probably get rid of that. So I go back. Okay, so I have 25. I'll add a nickel. That equals 30. So I'm at 30. Add a penny. 34, 36. Oh, wait. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now I want to show plus 25, so I show another quarter. Now I can combine my groups. So first I want to add up my quarters. So 25, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So my answer is 59. And that is how you show combining groups with money. I pressed that, and then you could go back with your group and you can listen to it. Okay? Later on, but I want you to get started, okay? Well, what I would do is I would hit done, okay? I would save my lesson. I have to type in my big long title again. Okay?
What's a description?
It's description just means like, oh, it is 2 students showing how to add story problems using money. So it's like telling what it is.
Strategy.
You didn't make sense when you said kids.
Group. She was just doing it really fast.
Yeah.
Money. With money.
Okay, and then I hit next at the top, and we want it, we'll have to have this one be a public one, and we hit save. Okay? And what you'll do is you guys will hit my school because you'll save it to my school. Okay? So then I hit cancel. And then a little bit. All right, ready?
Subtraction Strategy Counting Up by Lydia and Haley. At the bakery, there are 36 cookies. A customer comes in and buys 14. How many are left in the bakery? 36. So our model is 36 minus 14. So we're gonna get a color. So we're gonna show you how to count up. So we're gonna start at 14. And we're gonna count up to 36. So 24 will be next, then 34. And then, so then it'd be 35, then 36. And then you have to make these bumps. And then we're going to number it. Then we're going to count it. So that's 10, 20, 21, 22. So our answer is 22.